Sage here for kalkinemedia. Thank you once again for joining us. Your time is valued, so please stick around for our next trending news topic. Hydrogen comes to Australia's rescue to meet net zero emissions. The ASX stocks in focus. Australian companies engaged in the oil and gas business have been rooting for the use of hydrogen to meet the net zero emission targets. According to studies, switching to hydrogen produced from renewable sources would be significantly cheaper than the electrification pathway. Earlier in May 2020, the Australian Energy Minister Angus Taylor had announced a $300 million Australian dollar investment in developing the hydrogen industry. The fund will be allocated by the Clean Energy Finance Corporation as a part of the National Hydrogen Strategy. On an industrial scale, hydrogen is produced either by using fossil fuel as a feedstock or through the process of electrolysis. Electrolysis, on the other hand, splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. The process involves passing high voltage, direct current through the water, which breaks the compound into its constituent elements. The electricity used in the process may be generated from renewable sources, or it may come from the thermal power plant. Australia Renewable Energy Agency, or ARENA, expects that hydrogen as an energy source will soon replace other carbon-based fuels. Woodside Energy. Woodside Energy is one of the largest natural gas producers and pioneers of the Australian LNG industry. Woodside has been shortlisted by Australian Renewable Energy Agency, ARENA, for their ambitious Australian $70 million funding program to fast-track the development of the renewable hydrogen industry in the country. BHP Billiton Nickel West Pty Ltd. BHP Billiton Nickel West Pty Ltd is a vertically integrated mine-to-market company of the BHP Group Limited. The company operates in Western Australia and 75% of its nickel is sold to the battery material suppliers, Infinite Blue Energy. Infinite Blue Energy, a Perth-based group, is planning an initial public offering on IPO to raise $2 million Australian dollars to develop its hydrogen generation facility in Western Australia. The group is planning to get listed in ASX around the first quarter of financial year 2021. Stay tuned for more information trending on this topic. Thank you for your time. Sage here reporting for kalkinemedia.